Hello again. I hope you're keeping well. Today I'd like to share with you how I make my jollof rice. Jollof rice is a Nigerian recipe and it's quite popular. So I would like to show you how I make mine. There are different ways you could make it, but by and large it ends up with nearly the same result. So be flexible with yourself in terms of the spices you use. That's fine. Jollof rice is one of the best dishes from Nigeria, and no Nigerian party is complete without jollof rice, trust me. When Richard Kirst of CNN did a documentary on jollof rice, that's how big it is. Also, Prince Charles attests to the fact that the best jollof rice from Africa comes out of Nigeria. So today, we are going to make jollof rice. So I've got my ingredients, which is 1 tin tomatoes. I'm going to pour it's peeled plum tomato. I've got 1 tin there. Pour that in my blender. About 4 inches of ginger in there. 1 bell pepper. 3 chilies, sweet chilies. 2 Scotch bonnet, and my chopped onions. Also, if you're not a fan of garlic, then you can leave that out or add as required. So I've got my fresh ingredients there. I'm going to just blend that until it's smooth. Ingredients are blended now. I'll be pouring that out in a saucepan and steaming for about 10 minutes just to dry it out and cook it a bit. Our blended pepper sauce is now steamed. It's been steaming for about 10 minutes. So what we now need to do is fry the sauce in some oil. To fry the tomato sauce, I've added around a cup of oil, maybe a cup and a half. You could always add more if you feel it's too dry later. Into the pot, I just let that heat up. So it's been around 3 to 4 minutes that's been frying the onions and the tomato puree and a bit of salt. So I'm going to now add my steamed mix, tomato, pepper, ginger, garlic mix to the oil. Some people would actually just blend and fry straight away. That's okay as well. But this is the way I go about it. Either way, I think we end up with the same result. But I'll reduce the heat now, and then I'll just leave it to continue to fry and stir as often as I can. So this has been frying for about 5 minutes. I'm now going to add my seasoning: 2 Knorr cubes, a tablespoon of curry, 1 bay leaf, and a tablespoon of thyme. Mix that and then let that continue to cook for another 5 minutes. While that's going on, I'll start preparing my rice for parboiling. To prepare your rice, I've washed it so that it's kind of good to wash it until the water is clear. So I'm going to place that in my wok. So I just add some boiled water in there and parboil for. My rice is parboiled now. I'm going to just pour that in the sieve so I get rid of the water. I've got my pepper sauce, my jollof rice sauce made. I've parboiled the rice until tender as you like it. I've put my up on the cooker. So I'll add a bit of oil to, well, just a tiny bit. I don't want too much oil, just a little bit. Once that's hot, once the oil is hot, I'll add some diced onions. Teaspoon salt, half chopped green peppers. The green pepper just gives it flavor. So my pepper sauce is ready. My rice is parboiled. I put a tiny bit of oil here, and I have onion and green pepper. So I'm adding some seasoning. You can add seasoning to your taste. And then I'm going to toss my rice in there. And just stir. For a few minutes. You can hear it sizzling. That's okay. Just keep stirring. The idea is for it to just this will give it a nice texture in the end. So at this point you can add a bit of salt. I'm going to just add a teaspoon. Be mindful that there's already salt in the sauce, so you don't overdo it. And stir. So I'm going to add more sauce so that it gets the orange color properly. So, but do add it in batches so that you don't end up with it does too much sauce. So the sauce is evenly mixed with the rice now, and this is at this point I'll check if I need to add more salt, more seasoning, more spice, or if it's missing, lacking in taste in any of the spices. So, but if you like it really cooked and well done, then you can add a few drops of boiled water and just cover for a bit, let it continue to cook. Maybe a drop or two of boiled water. It's not going to burn. Actually, when it burns a bit, it gives it a slightly smoky aroma, so that's good. So, but just let it cook for a few minutes if you want it to be very soft. So I've added some bay leaves there for more flavor. I've got enough thyme in it, and enough ginger, enough garlic and all of that, so I'm not going to add any more. It's just the way I would like it. So I'm just going to cover that for a minute or two and then stir it again. Jollof rice is ready, and after I mix the sauce into the rice, I've just been stirring it every now and then, maybe every 2 minutes, and I've done that for the last 10 minutes. So I haven't added any water. If you like it a bit softer, you can add drops of water while it cooks. Otherwise, if you like it dry and non-sticky like that, then just keep stirring, and it's okay, it's not going to burn. Actually, if it does burn, stick to your pot. This is a non-stick, but if it sticks to your stainless steel pot, that's fine. To get the smoky flavor, if you turn on the heat to the highest for the last 3 or 4 minutes, the pot will burn, and that gives you this smoky flavor, so that's okay. But for this, I haven't done that, and so it is ready, and this is our jollof rice. So our jollof rice is now ready. I'm serving it with smoked turkey and some vegetable, broccoli, carrot, and cauliflower. Do watch out for my video on how to make your peppered smoked turkey. It is quite delicious as well. And let us know how you get on with your go with jollof rice. Jollof rice is one of Nigerians' favorite recipe, and no Nigerian party is complete without jollof rice. So enjoy, and until next time, take care. God bless.